Knife heads, welcome to the new episode of BEK. I'm going to start calling this channel BEK. That stands for Big E's Knives. But I'm going to shorten it down to BEK. So, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. It's a rainy, dreary day out here. See? It's been sprinkling all day long. It finally calmed down just a touch. And here I am. Let me tell you something. I got this little pocket knife. It's the first time I've ever got a knife from England. Let me tell you something. All I can say is God Almighty. Makes me want to slap my mama. Look at the bolster. Look at that. Got the easy open. See, it's got a little spot right there. You see that? It's got a gap. It's got a gap all the way down pretty much, but you can't see light. But you see that nick right there in the back spring, in the liner? Other than that, this knife is perfect. It's like a Barlow, or you could say it's like a it's built like a Barlow, or you could say it's like a swayback. I don't know the proper term for this knife. It come in a James and Company box, but it don't say what the steel is. Nothing like that. When I seen it, it said it uses the same steel as GEC, so I'm guessing it's 1095. So I went back and looked. It said it was Texas honey. I guess that's what they call the handles. Carbon steel. It don't say what kind of carbon steel. It just said carbon steel. So if any of y'all know if it's 1095, 1085, you know, any of that good stuff, shoot me a message down in the comments. Let me know. And I'm going to tell you guys, this baby's probably got an 8.5 pull. No joke. Let me sit this down and I'll show you. Brass pins, brass liners. I'm going to say it's an 8, a good 8. A Riot, Sheffield, England. Easy open. Lamb's foot with the swedging. I love it. I gotta put an edge on it. They send it like a showing you where to sharpen it, pretty much. but it's not sharpened. I went to use it and no. No, it ain't sharp. But it's got a good, no half stops either. You can just go on through. First time I ever owned a lamb's foot. First time I've ever owned a knife from Sheffield, England. But there's my Texas honey, the handle material. It looks like some kind of wood, but I guess they call it Texas honey. The bolster is real little. See there? It's as big as your fingernail. I know a Barlow's should be out here, but I'm going to say this is close to a Barlow or a Swayback. You see, it's a good 3.5 finger knife. Man, that thing's... I like it when it's in your hand. You can take this finger and you can put it right in the easy open. It works out great. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all stay classy. You hear?